Hey, it's Ashley with your October Motor City special on Wranglers. We've got a lot going this month. You can lease a four-door Wrangler Sport for as low as $79 a week with $2,500 down. For an upgrade, you can get yourself into a Sport S package for $89 a week, again $2,500 down. And if you're wanting even a bit more of an upgrade, we'll get you into a Sahara for as low as $99 a week. How's about a Willy's package starting at $109 a week? If you really want an upgrade, get yourself into a Rubicon starting at $119 a week. Now, all of these lease specials are with employee pricing with $2,500 down, 2-year lease terms allowing you for 18,000 kilometers per year. And please don't forget, with these Jeep Wranglers, your maintenance is included for the first 2 years that you have this lease. That's your oil changes, tire rotations. Any questions, come on in or give me a call, 519-971-1411. Thank you.